Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a page or a post on your website through connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, let's just go ahead and get logged into our account here. Get my username, which is my email address, and my password. And that's going to take me to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, let's go ahead and click on Website. And right here you're going to see a public preview URL. Everyone that has an account has a public preview URL. This is a preview website for those that have yet to register a domain. If you registered a domain, it'd be right over here. So let's go ahead and look at the website right now and see what it looks like. This is a website that we got started last time on how to add a page or a post to your website. And then today we're going to do how to edit a page or a post. We're going to edit this home page. And then right now the home page doesn't have a featured image. This image here is actually from the post. So we're going to add an image and add some text here. And then on our post we're just going to add another image there and some text. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And right now we're going to click on Pages to edit our home page. So we'll go to Pages, go to Home Page, and we'll click on Edit. And then right here, it says choose a featured image. We don't have one chosen, so let's go ahead and pick one out. And we're going to do the picture of the lake. So let's go ahead and put that on there. And then we're going to add some text down here. And we're going to go from 24 point to 18 point. And be sure to visit frequently for our latest updates. Okay, so we went ahead and we edited this page here, and let's go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to click Update. Every time you make an adjustment, you always want to click Update. So that page has been updated. So let's go ahead and we're gonna edit our post. So you click on Post right there. And then we're going to click on the rainbow post because that's the post that we're going to edit. And we have a featured image. We're going to leave that alone. We have today while hiking. And we're just going to stick our cursor right there. We're going to hit Enter, and it'll bring it down a little bit. And we're going to add one more pic from today. And hit Enter again, and we're going to add an image, so click the Insert Edit Image icon. We have one pre-selected here, so we'll scroll down. We're going to add this image here. We're going to hit Select. I always start at 50% on the dimensions. Don't worry about these boxes, just put the percentage sign here on this box. So 50% is always good to start with. So I'm going to click OK. And that's loading right now. So we have the other picture that we added. So we added a picture to our post. We're going to click Update. So now we've edited our page. We've edited our posts. And we're on website right now. So we're going to go ahead and we could click on the public preview URL. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the screen that I was at previously. And this is the screen here that we updated. This is before the update. So I'm just going to refresh the screen. And voila, there it is. There's the featured image that we added. There's the text that we added. The rainbow post is still here, but remember we added a picture to that post. Let's go ahead and click on Read More. And then we have today while hiking right there. And it looks like it might still be loading. There it is. One more pic from today. So there we added the additional picture. So let's go back. And then we'll go back to Connect. And go back to our dashboard, and that's pretty much it. That's how you edit a page or a post on your website through connect.dataczar.com.